favorite StartMail feature has to be the password protected messages. And the reason I like this so much is that, particularly in the early days when we would go to conferences and people who weren't used to encryption would ask about StartMail and how to get started. And the great aspect about password protected messages is that you can send encrypted messages to people who don't have an email provider like StartMail, and they can receive these messages and reply as an encrypted message. And so it is a great way to get started. Even if you have a StartMail account, you can send a message to friends, family, etc., that don't have a StartMail account, and they can still receive these private messages.